What's up, guys? If you want to make your very first commission with affiliate marketing starting today, you're in the right place. Check it out. All right, if you don't know me, my name's Jake, and today we are going to get you your first commission as an affiliate, specifically through the Amazon Associates program. All right, so all the descriptions about how to do this will be in the blog that I just finished down the description. You can go down there and it will link you over to the blog, but I'll give you the basic outline of the blog here. Before you go any farther, let me ask you, if you will, hit the like button and the subscribe button. That will be a massive blessing to me. All right, so you might want to pull the blog up. If not, that's okay. Basically what the blog talked about was, if you want to get this commission today, the first thing you're going to need to do is sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. That link will be in the description as well. The second thing you're going to do, I need you to go around your house and find a product, but not just any product. I need you to find the product that you love the most, one that you use all the time, one that you really enjoy. Right now, pause this video, go find your product. I'll wait. All right, you got it? If you don't have it, pause the video, go get it. You need this product because you are doing this today. All right, once you have your products, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into Amazon. About halfway down, you'll see a search bar, and you're gonna type in that product. Type it in, and on the list, you're gonna see that product. Push the words "get link." All this is in the blog. I'm just gonna let you go down the description and see all of that. The actual purpose of this video is to show you how to do a really, really good review. So if you want all the info, go to the blog. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this video, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to do a review of some Amazon product. Specifically, what I'm gonna be reviewing is my Bose Sound Sport headphones. Great product, love them, but you're gonna pick the product that you love, you're gonna review it, and you're gonna get a commission sale today. That's the goal. Maybe 24 hours, maybe 48, something like that. All right? The 4 things you're gonna need to do in a super basic review, in a beginner review, 4 things you want to be there. First, you need to tell them what the product is. Give them the name and the basic functionality of the product. The second thing is why you love the product. Everything you love about it, how you use it, tell a story about why this product is so important to you. The third thing you're gonna do is tell them why they need the product. Okay, so you're gonna take your story and implement it into their life. Tell them why this product is going to change their life. Be as broad as you can and tell as many ways that they can use the product as you possibly can. And finally, tell them where they can buy the product. Don't mess this up, because if you tell them about the product and they type in Amazon.com, you've lost your commission. Okay? Tell them that the description, the link that they need is in your description. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it here. I'm gonna give you kind of an example of how you can pitch a product. Check it out, guys. What's up, guys? Hope you're doing well today. I'm here because I want to tell you about a product that I love. I use it literally every day, and these things have changed my life. It is the Bose Sound Sport wireless headphones. Truthfully, the only competitor that these headphones have is the Apple AirPods. So I'm gonna compare and contrast the two a little bit, but there are 4 things that really matter when you're talking about wireless headphones. You've got sound quality, aesthetics or visual appeal, price, and comfort. These are the 4 things that really, really matter. I mean, we could talk about this case. I love the case. It's a wireless charging case. It holds almost all week. I think I charge maybe once or twice a week. Great case. We're not even gonna go there. It's not one of the 4 most important things. The only area, in my opinion, where the AirPods and Bose are the same is price. It might be $5 different. It fluctuates once in a while, but both of these are about the same price. When it comes to sound quality, in my opinion, there's no comparison. I love these things in comparison to sound. My roommate actually used to have the AirPods, so we compare and contrast them. Both of us agreed that the sound quality of the Bose far superior. Okay, superior, maybe not far superior, it's close, but these are definitely better. The third thing is the visual appeal. I always hated the white and the little part that stuck down with the AirPods. To me, it just looks weird, it sticks out more. I'm more of a black guy, obviously. To me, this is a slicker look. It just looks better. It doesn't look as obvious. But at the end of the day, they're very comparable on all 3 of those areas. The one that is the game changer is comfort. What you'll see is there are actually 3 different options for the size of this piece, and you can change it to fit your ear better. The big difference is when you put the AirPod into your ear, it goes all the way into your inner ear, and it gets really uncomfortable after a period of time. I hated working out with them. These I have worked out in for hours. I have listened to music on a 3-hour car ride and never taken it out and never had irritation in my ears. I love these things. Guys, these things, when I say they've changed my life, they have. I have always hated the phone. I hate it. I actually complained today because I didn't have these for like 5 minutes and I had to hold the phone up to my ear. And it was so irritating. I now get on the phone all the time. I'll get in my car, throw these in my ear. The right one is the only one you need to talk on the phone. It's clear, it's concise. I never have issues with it. I love these things. I use them when I work out. They've never fallen out. I use them when I'm driving. I use them in the office to listen to music. I love only having one in at a time because then I can still converse with people. There are a few buttons on here so I can turn it off and on from here. I can control volume. I can skip songs. Guys, love these things. So let me suggest, if you do not have wireless headphones, get the wireless Bose SoundSport headphones. You will love them. If you work out, you're gonna love them. If you talk on the phone very often, you are going to love them. If you listen to music, you're gonna love them. They look good, they sound good. I highly suggest it. So here's what I'm gonna suggest you do. I've actually got the link down in the bio. I'm gonna suggest you drop down there and check it out. And it's gonna link you to Amazon. And by some crazy stretch of the imagination, pretty confident this isn't gonna happen, but just in case it does, you can always return them. Test them for 30 days. And if you don't like the quality, you can return them on Amazon. But I guarantee you, because I've never met anyone who didn't love them, I guarantee you, you are going to love these things. So give them a shot. Let me know what you think. If you want them, drop down the description. Buy the Bose SoundSport wireless headphones. You will not regret it, and you can thank me later. Catch you guys later. All right, so you see how easy that was? And I was not lying. I absolutely love these headphones. They are so stinking nice. So I actually will drop the description down in the bio if anyone's interested. These suckers are phenomenal. That being said, hopefully that makes sense. Guys, if you don't like getting on video, you're welcome just to write like a 300 to 500 word description about the product. Make sure you hit those 4 things. What is the product? Why do you love the product? Why should they love the product? Why should they buy the product? And finally, the call to action, where can they find the product? If you do those 4 things, do it concisely, do it well, send it out to your audience, you're gonna make an affiliate commission. And when you do, you're gonna get the affiliate bug just like I did. So I'm actually gonna leave down in the description the next step for you. I just wrote an article called Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. I highly suggest going there and learning more about affiliate marketing. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Wish you the best in getting your commission in 24 to 48 hours. And if you enjoyed this, please, please, please bless me by hitting the like button and the subscribe button. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you're able to get your commission, let me know down in the comments. If you have any questions, concerns, whatever, let me know. I'll help you out. Love you guys, appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next video. See you later.